Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you're having a wonderful day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun and different unboxings. Do a little bit of everything, so if you enjoy subscription box unboxings, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. Guys, don't forget we do have an active giveaway going on right now that will be linked down below in the description box. And as you can see today, we are doing the September 2020 Naked Beauty Box. So a little bit about this, it is $35.99 a month, and this is clean, cruelty-free, and vegan skincare. This is the box your skin will love. So every month you will receive 5 full-sized skincare items. You can cancel at any time. It's going to be worth up to $150. And it says you will never receive samples in your box, which I think is fantastic, especially, when there's other boxes that are out there that, you do receive samples, may pay around the same price to not get samples, to only get full size is fantastic. So it says receive products from brands such as Midflower, Soon Skin, New Beauty, No Cosmetics. So yeah, let's go ahead. We're going to dive in and see what we got for September. One of the very first boxes I opened had one of my absolute favorite beauty products in it. I say beauty products, but it was the Star Eye Mask that heat up, the self-heating when you take them out of the package. I love those. They're like next level relaxation. So let's cut this open. I do want to say thank you to Naked Beauty Box for sending me this. I do get this for a review, and I greatly appreciate it. All right, so this is what you see when you open it. There is always a note, thank you note here on the front. It says, fall is here. Let's not forget to keep rocking great skin. And then there's always a quote on the back. It says, the best protection a woman can have is courage. Elizabeth Cady Stanton. All right, and then we do get a little pamphlet here. And when you open it, it goes over the different items in the box, and it does give you pricing, which I appreciate. So let's go ahead and get in here and see what we got for September. So the first thing I'm seeing is grabbing my attention because of the color. Or Glamix Turmeric Scrub Mask. Turmeric, lemon peel, and chickpea. That sounds interesting. Natural, beautiful skincare made in small batches. So there's that. Let's see what this says. Glamix Turmeric Mask, $29. An instant facial mask that invigorates skin and brightens appearance in minutes. Glamix Turmeric Scrub and Mask fights acne, scars, and instantly brightens dull, fatigued skin with the power of turmeric to give your skin a fresh burst of luminosity. Well, that sounds amazing. Says suggested usage: apply a visible layer to clean skin, allow masks to dry for 10 minutes, rinse with warm water, and massage skin in a gentle circular motion, allowing scrub to exfoliate skin. Pat dry with a soft towel. Recommended for use 3 times a week. Let's see. I think it has a safety seal. I can smell the lemon a little bit. I was wondering what it was going to smell like, so I think it's going to have more of the citrusy scent, but I'm definitely excited to give that a try. Turmeric is amazing for so many reasons. There's that guy. And then we have from No Cosmetics, we have a retinol serum that is worth $36. So here is that guy. It says, renew today, vitamin A plus power retinol. We believe in clean beauty, vegan and without mineral oil, silicones, parabens. The finest, particularly well-tolerated retinoid together with phytosqualene, Gentle oils and natural carrot extract help to reduce wrinkles, nourishes your skin with vitamin A, and supports a firm, youthful complexion. So there again is the box. Let's take it out and then I'll read what this says. Glass bottle. And this is the same. The finest, particularly well-tolerated retinoid, together with phytosqualane, gentle oils, and natural carrot, help to reduce wrinkles, nourishes the skin with vitamin A, and supports a firm, youthful complexion. Apply a few drops morning and evening to cleanse skin and massage in. I can't read or talk. So I love retinoid serum, or just retinoid. It's so good for your skin. So there's that guy, and again, that's $36. And let's see. Then we have got Shine On Nail and Cuticle Oil, Nourish and Protect, Clean Consciously Crafted, Wicked Good. It's unscented. So Wicked Good Nail and Cuticle Oil, $18. Put intense hydration at your fingertips. With its complex combination of vitamins, antioxidants, and minerals, Wicked Good Cuticle Oil boasts deeply hydrating emollient properties. This oil helps your skin retain its moisture while strengthening. It softens with jojoba and coconut oils and protects with vitamin E. So that sounds really good. I needed another cuticle oil. My nails are screaming for it. And then let's see, we have got Collagen Gloves, intense collagen treatment, dermatology tested, 1 pair of gloves, fingertip removable, argan oil, aloe vera extract. I've had these before, I believe, and I didn't use them, but I think I may. So this is $5. Collagen Gloves, it's obviously a pair. UV protective collagen gloves brings innovation to manicure treatment. Each mask is preloaded with argan oil and collagen-rich emulsion to penetrate and moisturize skin. Made with micro-thin dual-layer materials, protects up to 98.9% of ultraviolet rays. And it shows here on the back where you can, all right, so basically you need to clean your hands, put on the gloves, leave on for 5 to 10 minutes, and then you can tear the tips off of the glove. And if you want to like paint your fingernails, it says apply color and dry completely, remove gloves and wear inverted, perform massage on hands and arms. So I'll definitely give these a try as well. Excited about that. We have one more item in here, and this is a face mask. Glamix face mask, real brightening and glow up. Beauty should be fun. Golden charcoal sheet mask. Let's see what this says. $3. Your one-stop shop for all your masking needs. Enriched with a multitude of revitalizing natural ingredients, neem, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, etc. This charcoal mask ensures that nothing can be better than black. Golden charcoal mask, or golden charcoal sheet. I do see some Korean to this, and it even says made in Korea. So glow up, clean up, reduces sebum. The neem leaf extract, natural herbal ingredient for skin soothing and balancing, helps clear pimples, acne, blackheads, and large pores. The hyaluronic acid and niacinamide Core ingredients for brightening and glow up effect, maintain hydration and supple skin. And then the golden charcoal black sheet, it says skin purifier, reduces detrimental particles such as fine dust or yellow dust from your skin. Yellow dust? What is that? I don't know what it is, but I need to put this on and get it off my face. We have the sheet mask. We have the collagen gloves, which go with our cuticle oil. We have the retinol serum. And then we have the turmeric mask scrub. So I think this was awesome. I think all of these, that's one thing I have really come to like with the Naked Beauty Box, is it kind of gives you products that you don't really even know about. I mean, we know about cuticle oil and I've seen these before, but you know, the turmeric scrub and things like that, I just really think it's neat to get exposure to different types of products. So let me know your thoughts down below. Do you get the Naked Beauty Box? I will put a link down below if you'd like to sign up. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, a special thank you to our channel members. I do greatly appreciate your support, and I appreciate the support of everyone who is here watching the videos. I do greatly appreciate it. I love y'all. I hope you are having a fantastic day. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.